Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. We're here in Trenton, New Jersey. We're on the back of these buildings in an alleyway, and you got four fire escapes. Now, sometimes we're here for a different reason, and you might be here for an inspection on a smoke detector or an inspection on an alarm of some sort, and you identify these fire escapes. In order to write a violation from the street, from the parking lot, two things in order for the fire escape to pass inspection: must be structurally sound, must be kept painted. The easiest one to write a violation is on the paint. If the fire escape has not been painted, that's a deterioration violation. You can write it, and you always write a violation on this as repair, paint, test. As soon as the violation is out, somebody will call you back and say, what's repair, paint, and test means? You say, well, repair means you have to have it professionally evaluated by a structural engineer, and then from that report, and once the work is done from the evaluation, then you can paint it, and then you can load test it depending on whether or not I want it load tested. So the easiest violation to write from here is the paint violation, because you can see from here the fire escape, a lot of those treads are not even painted. So a lot of the supports, a lot of the entire fire escape, and all three of these don't have any paint on them. The second thing you start looking for is anything that's structural. Now you can look to the side on these, you still see the original square head bolts. That means these 50 to 75-year-old fire escapes have never been refurbished in its lifetime. So that's an indicator that the fire escape still has original bolts, has never been refurbished. And minimally in 50 to 75 years, the tread bolts should have been replaced. And because all three of these fire escapes have tread bolts that are square, as an engineer, no one will ever sign off. So the evaluation report should come back and saying all treads should be rebolted with hex head bolts. All superstructure supports that have square head bolts on it should be replaced with hex heads. So that should be the evaluation that should come back from the engineer, and then scrape and paint the entire fire escape. So if you have any questions on this or any other violation or video that you've seen, give us a call at fireescapeengineers.com, 866-649-0333. As always, you can visit the YouTube channel, Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training, for this and many other videos throughout the country on how to write a proper violation on fire escapes. And as always, if your city wants to have a fire escape and awareness program, we're more than happy to send you a fire escape awareness kit, which will include industry standard confidence tests, tags, load test criteria, and repair procedures. And we will help you with the free consultation and implementation of such a program in your city. Give us a call.